Hey y'all! So hi, it's Maky. I just wanted to show y'all how my family is keeping sane during this craziness that is quarantine. We have decided to start recreating reality TV shows. So I thought I would show y'all the first one. It is Chopped in Quarantine. So get ready because this episode on the vlog is going to be a lot of fun and you get to meet most of my crazy family. So hope y'all enjoy!
Hello, welcome to the first ever episode of Chopped in Quarantine. Contestants, open your baskets. Oh no! We're trying to...
Wanted just to prove myself to this family, and I just filled with adrenaline. I'm ready to go.
You can cook it.
Okay, honestly, I'm a little disappointed in the judge. Tomatoes, potatoes, corn. Seems like pretty simple ingredients that you can mix into anything. So the last time I was in this kitchen, I burnt chicken nuggets in the oven. So I'm trying to redeem myself, but I don't even know if these potatoes are cooked.
I have no clue what potatoes are.
Can you hear it? That's the competition going down the drain.
Oh, I'm sorry. No one's gonna. I'm gonna lose because you told me to move. I'm sorry.
She's the
Today I am serving you with an early English cuisine topped with beans, tomatoes, some diced potatoes with a nice tomato puree on the side.
Oh my gosh, this is an interesting choice.
Thank you.
For a non-chef like yourself. I'm very impressed. Would you say this is your first meal?
English cuisine?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh,
It is my first English cuisine.
Okay.
I'm not from England.
Okay.
You can just pick it up.
So what made you think to add the beans?
You know, the only thing that I could think about was beans on toast. I don't know why, it was just in my brain, I felt called to it. And so I had to do it.
They're very flavorful. Okay, I'm loving the flavor. Love the flavor of the beans and the juice. Whatever the flavor of that beans. Was it Dr. Pepper beans? You're tasting a little Dr. Pepper? Great choice to add those beans. I don't love the toast texture. Just not my personal favorite. Kind of made the bread soggy and that's just not my favorite. But everything else, great combinations, great flavor, great taste.
Thank you, Chef.
Excellent job.
Thank you, Chef.
All right, Chef, you're gonna love this. This is the Smiles of the Quarantine. Okay, got a great mixture of items because there's a lot of stuff going on right now. So got some 62 seasoning in here. Got a great mixture of some apples that'll give you the right. I think you need to try it before you left.
I'm sorry.
So, got great seasonings. Try a little bit of the cheeks. Try a little bit of the mouth. Try a little bit of the ingredients around. Go for it. I think you'll love it.
Okay, that's a interesting plate for sure. So,
just eat it, hurry.
okay. I'm worried. I don't have to say. So, actually, it's pretty tasty.
Yes, thank you, Chef.
I'm questioning the use of apples in it.
Well,
What made you want to put an apple in with this mixture?
well, I've been doing this for a long time.
Okay.
And things that most people don't expect, I come through with. So I think
Okay.
you'll find that it puts a punch in it.
Okay, I do like this on the side. It has a great flavor.
You've been
Thank you.
eating it for a while.
Okay. Okay.
She can't stay away from it. She loves it.
Great. I would have left the apple off. This one potato is a strange choice to me, but this has great flavor. Good taste on this.
Thank you,
Excellent.
Chef.
Okay, so what I was going for is kind of like, imagine a place like Walk On, something like that, where they give you just those loaded nachos with so much on it. So that's kind of what I was going for this. So this is what I was going for, and I hope you like it.
And you know I'm a lover of
nachos, yes.
I mean, you can't beat nachos in my opinion. I love it. Okay. But interesting choice. You didn't use like Tostito type chips. You used corn chips.
Fritos, yeah.
Fritos. What made you change it up?
Oh, you know, I just didn't want to do what you expected.
Okay.
Yeah, I like the Walko's example there because you're about to strike out.
That is great. Okay. Nice flavor. Used all of your ingredients. And adding the peppers gives it the nice presentation and color
Thank you. Thank you.
and flavor. I'm fixing it. Excellent choice. I would eat this whole plate for sure.
Okay, well, don't.
It's good. Very good.
Wow.
Okay.
I hate to say it, but I'm not surprised. Thank you, Chef.
Really. You all did great. Okay, the contestant that is chopped is Kelly.
Yeah!
What? No.
Yes!
That means you lost.
That means you were chopped.
Oh, sorry. I didn't know the rules.
Brooklyn.
Wait, I don't get it right.
It was a hard decision. It was hard to send someone home, but I feel like I made the right decision.
That was sad.
I am ecstatic. I am ready for this next round. This is all I could have hoped for. I'm going to prove that I can win.
All right, contestants, reveal what's under the second basket.
Ooh.
Okay. In the dessert box, we have chocolate, honey, and coffee. Round two.
Oh my gosh, I made the same mistake.
Some drama.
She just made the same mistake twice. Sounds like an amateur problem to me. I've yet to make a mistake in this one.
Oh my gosh.
Can she pour any slower? So, I'm gonna get that to a nice boil.
That is so bad. I might have ruined my chocolate.
She ruined her chocolate. Typical.
It won't focus. Typical. It's having the consistency of cake batter. I mean, how did you do that?
I added the coffee. Ooh, I think that might be good. It might be like a fudgy.
I didn't want it to be like that.
Oh, what are you trying to make? She's literally, I can't explain what this chocolate is. It's like the fact that she even calls herself a chef. The fact that she's here and the chocolate is, it's like a cake ball almost, which like sounds good, but it's not. I don't know how she did this to the chocolate. I have been melting chocolate since I was 8. That's never happened to me. She should be embarrassed. I'm embarrassed for her. I don't understand. I literally don't understand.
Today I present you with some fruit slices, specifically orange, covered in some melted chocolate, you know, and drizzled with honey with a nice honey coffee yogurt dip.
Wow, interesting choice.
And frosted, crunched cereal frosted flakes.
The frosted flakes are concerning to me, but
I
I'm
wanted
willing
to add some crunch.
Okay, I'm willing to try. Be open-minded. Here it comes.
What's inside that? An orange?
An orange. Isn't that a nice, interesting choice? Okay, I'm gonna dip
Oh,
it.
I think you should try it without dipping it
Nope.
first.
You'd have it all though?
I want all the flavors too. Honestly, it's good.
So what I prepared for you today, Chef, is chocolate coffee croissants. There's coffee all mixed in there and sprinkled on the top. And then I have created a honey chocolate coffee dip for you to dip it in. And the honey was mostly just for artistic purposes over here. So don't feel like you have to like get more honey. There's plenty. So
Let me tell you, I'm gonna say one thing. Well, I can say a lot of things, but you're strategic in your choices, Michaela.
get on it, you know. It might be a little hot, so just kidding.
It's really good.
I am here. I made it to the finale. And whatever happens, I am just ecstatic because I did my best today. You know, I have proved to my family that I know how to function in the kitchen a little.
I don't know, I'm not as confident going into the finale as I had originally planned in my first time being interviewed before the show began. I really thought I was easily the best chef, and now I realize that my family has given me a run for my money.
This was a tough decision. Both brought their A game tonight. It was hard. But the contestant that will be going home and is chopped is Brooklyn.
Hey, you did good. I'm proud of you. I didn't think
deserve
you were
it.
capable of either of the dishes you made.
I agree.
Oh my gosh, I hate to say it, but I'm not surprised. Oh my gosh. My dish was the best. First round and second round. Whether the judge said it or not, I am the best chef.
I am so excited for Maky. You know, she said some rude things to me today, but in the end, we're family. And I'm just so glad that she was the one that beat me. You know,
I'm really proud of Brooklyn. She worked really hard.
this show proved to me that I can do whatever I put my mind to. And I don't need help from anyone.
Hey, we are so glad you tuned in for this episode of Chopped. It was a ton of fun, wasn't it, Brooklyn?
Yeah.
I'm proud of you. You did good. Yeah,
I did pretty good.
you did. Anyways, on that note, chopped, 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 chopped. Everybody, chopped, chopped. Bye, y'all. Wreck 'em.